Kita akan unboxing Maharaja from Cranio Creations, Kiesling Kramer and Kiesling, dua desainer yang favorit gue. 1 to 4 player 12 plus 90 menit. This is the KS version, came with extra KS exclusive material, but I will not open this on the later. So this is the rule book, the component. I read some people have trouble with the wheel, that the pin is loose, the wheel become the spinner. So this is the face. It's round 5 face, Maharaja face, planning face, action face, city scoring face, and off-round face. The breakdown of its action in the wheel. This is the scoring table printed on the board, and then an off-round face, end of the game, appendix, and the solo variant. So this is the character. Ini tidak ada di there's no character ability in the first Maharaja. This is the scoring end game scoring for variation. So this is the wheel. I will not try to assemble now. I will assemble later. Wow, the board. What the hell? How many fold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 fold. This is the player board. They also say that the curve here doesn't match with the curve on the wheel. Misproduction, as always, from Cranio Creations. They didn't learn from Maharaja KS. This is the plastic palace for its player color. Oh, chunky, very chunky. And this is the small building for each player, and the Maharaja. This is the Maharaja token. Now this is the pin for the wheel. I hope my copy doesn't have loose pin. Okay, that's it. unboxing for Maharaja from Cranio Creations.